Welcome to the Answer Based YouTube channel. In this video today, we're looking at the question of where did DeepSeek get the training data from? DeepSeek has been all over the news in the last couple of days. It has shocked the world, especially it shocked I feel like Silicon Valley to its core. It shocked the US finance market and massive companies to its core. There is suggestion that they have used OpenAI, or OpenAI is claiming that they've used their models to start the process of training the actual AI. Let's just have a look at there's a few articles here. Let's go down. It was quite an interesting point. So it says his OpenAI told Financial Times that they found evidence linked to DeepSeek to use of distillation. It's basically a common technique used by developers to do a train AI model by extracting data from larger, more capable ones. It's an efficient way to train smaller models at a fraction of the more than $100 million of that OpenAI spent to train ChatGPT. These are huge claims. Developers could use OpenAI to integrate its AI with their own application, distilling the outputs to build rival models. So again, these are huge claims. So we will have to see in the next couple of days if more evidence comes to light. This is a huge shock. Even Donald Trump is making some statements. Have a look at the tutorial I did on the channel. I will link it in the video down here, and you can see what it can do. But again, these are massive claims of OpenAI, and I think over the next couple of days or weeks, we're going to see more evidence coming to light. If this is true or not, we'll just have to play it by ear. Thank you for watching. If you got any questions, leave them in the comment section. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.